Hi, this is 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. We know that you need chargers, especially with the newer iPhones, since they don't come with chargers. This is the golden version from UIBI. This is GaN fast technology in this charger. And it's the golden version because the power adapter right there, the prongs are gold, which is nice. 24K kind of goes along with it. Here you have your USB-C port and your USB-A port. You get up to 30 watts of power when you use both ports, or the single port, so you can charge a MacBook Air with this, and other large devices like iPad Pro, and the newest iPhone 13 Pro Max at full speed. And you get over 12 watts out of this charging port right here. And it's a simple small charger. The prongs fold up, and it works with your late model iPhone, your MacBook Air, and your iPad Pro. And you can get this now, GaN fast technology from UIBI. Don't forget to get the golden version.